All right, guys, here's day 3, exercise day. I'm going to do a little exercise here. Basically, what you want to do is make sure you have everything cleared off on the room so nothing's on the floor. And just keep walking back and forth. Do that. Walk up and turn around and walk back again. I want to do that about 3 times. While making the video, I probably did it like 6. But you're going to walk all the way back. You only need about 10 steps. Like that way. Now you got to remember, whatever leg you had the surgery on is the leg you want to start with. I had mine on my left hip, so when you stretch out, you're going to stretch it out. Lead with your left, up with your right. Stretch out, lead with your left, up to your right. Stretch out, lead with your left, up to your right. And you keep on doing that. And I'm telling you, you'll strengthen, you'll get stronger, and you'll be able to do a lot more. But, hey guys, do me a favor. Thank you so much for watching these videos, watching my updates. I'll try to bring you more updates. But until next time, as always, God bless and happy eats. I love you all.